Okay, so today we are going to discuss like how to create a vision statement, right? How to create a vision statement. So in this vision statement, already we have discussed like a types of vision statements, right? Types of a vision statements. What are the types, right? Like product vision, identifying the vision, documenting the vision, right? So how we are going to be using with the help of this vision statement, how we are reaching and how we are working, okay, for particular product and providing the services, and what are the documents we need to maintain, right? So these all things we have seen. So now we are going to see how to create a vision statement. So mainly this vision statement documents are three types, okay. Mainly how to create means in three ways, right? First thing, we have to describe about the project, right? So what the project should accomplish means we have to describe about that project totally. And next, why it is valuable, okay, why it is valuable. And third, okay, project success criteria, right? So these three things are important to create a vision statement. So whenever we are organizing any event or any schedule, definitely we are going to be describing about that what kind of a event is there, okay, what are the things required for that, okay. If we are planning according to that plan, how much percentage it may reach, okay, 90 or 80, like that, right? So we are going to be describing, and according to that, how much percentage we have worked, have we achieved that results or not, okay, like that. So we'll discuss one by one. So the first section, so the first criteria is what the project should accomplish and describes, right? So accomplish means here it is mainly describing about the problem, right, or the opportunity that the project will address and express as the end of the result. All right, be specific but not prescriptive. So here in the first statement, here in the first criteria, we are going to be discussing about like a problem. If we are selecting these requirements, is this requirement suitable or not, or otherwise in future we are getting any problems or not, okay. Like that we are doing some analysis and we are making some document for that, right? Some vision, are we reaching to that particular point or not, right? So that finally there will be a result or not, okay. Like that here we are going to be describing each and everything, whatever the things we are involving in that, okay, we are describing about that all things, right? And second, next, a real vision statement describing like how the real vision statement will be describing, like Sasquatch. Okay, what is this Sasquatch? Sasquatch is nothing but like a big foot, okay. Sasquatch is like a big foot, right? So mainly it helps the team to collaborate over the long distance, right? So whenever the team is working for particular project, right, they are working from the different location or from different organization, we are involving in that particular project, or we are taking any help from them, right? So at that time, here it will be helping to us to collaborate from the long distance also, right? And this Sasquatch focus is collaboration and simplicity mainly. It will be focusing on collaboration and simplicity, and it will be including like a quality of product also, and it will be including like a simplicity, quality and collaboration, whatever the things, whatever these three things we have involved in that, right? We are going to be checking all the future in depth, right? In depth we are going to be identifying the features, is that features is useful to users or developers or whoever are using or involving in that particular project development or not, okay. Like that it is very important, right? Mainly they will be focusing on the features. And mainly this Sasquatch is nothing but a big foot, right? I said. So whatever the decisions we are taking, is that decision will be run for the long time or not, okay, like that it will be. And mainly it will be focused on the development and polishing all the existing features, ma. Whatever the, for example, if we are having one mobile, ma, so this mobile is having few features, right? Now I am, now another version has been released, okay, that version consists of some more features, okay, some more features are there in that mobile. So here like that means we here what they will be doing, whenever they are adding any new features for the new version, they will be doing some polishing to that and adding the new one, right? So that in that way we have to get some profits, right? In that way we have to get some profits, like that. Here real vision means they will be describing each thing, everything about like existing and whatever the things we need to add. And here mainly three things will be involving, one will be the collaborations for the long term, long distances, right? And second, simplicity should be there, and the third, quality should be there, okay. And they will be working in depth and adding all the features according to the customer's need, right? And second thing, second what, second criteria is what, Vima? Why it is valuable, right? So whenever you people are buying anything, any product or conducting any event or anything, first of all what you will be thinking, how to organize, what are the things should be involved, why I should take that product, okay, like that you will do this all analysis and describing about that, ఓకే ఇది తీసుకుంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో నాకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయా రావా, ఓకే మళ్ళీ దీనికి రీప్లేస్ చేయాల్సింది వస్తుందా, లైక్ దట్ you are thinking about each and everything, okay. After okay, whenever you are taking any product, okay, buying any product, at that time you will be thinking ఇది నాకు యూజ్ అవుతుందా, ఇది వాల్యుబుల్ ఏనా, okay, will it fulfill my all the requirements or not, okay, like that we are doing some analysis, okay, before buying any product or anything definitely we are going to be thinking about that, is it valuable for us or not, okay, like that we are going to be doing some analysis. So in the second section it is describing why the project is valuable, right? So it makes the long distance collaborations effective and even enjoyable, right? So whatever the applications, whatever the projects they have developed, right? So everyone are using from the different location and everyone will be involving, and we can collaboratively, we can meet together by using like this Google Meet, right? So like that it will be making some effective of whatever the project, whatever the applications they have developed. And here valuable means this Sasquatch is valuable to use because it gives us an opportunity to create an entrepreneur real product, right? So whatever the product we are creating here is that product is useful to all the users or not, okay, like that they will be keeping the point in their mind and they will be working on that so that it should be useful for each and every one, right? And mainly here it will be allowing, right, this Sasquatch is mainly allowing to the success, and it will be like we can use it, whatever the application or a product we are utilizing, we can use it as like a own product, our own product, right? So whatever the applications we have download, for example in your lappy or in your mobile, you people have downloaded some applications, right? So how you will be using, you are the owner of that application and you are only the person using, right? So like that many persons will be using on that, right? So here also whenever they are using this all some steps, right, to for the success, so how they will be think means here whatever the own product company and make a good living doing work, then we love. So what is the meaning of this means, so whenever we are working for anything, if you are having interest, then only it will be definitely reaching to the success, right? So forcibly, if we are pushing to do these all things, means definitely the result won't may come, right? So for example, your parents like the engineering, but you want to do something else, right? Forcibly you people are doing. సో ఫోర్సబుల్ చేస్తే ఏముంటుంది, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండదు, రైట్? మీరు మీ లైక్ హార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హార్ట్ తో చేయలేరు. అదే మీకు కావాలి అనుకో, మీకు ఇష్టమైంది అనుకో, చేశారనుకో, ఏమవుతుందమ్మా, ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా అనేది సక్సెస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ హియర్, వెన్ ఎవర్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఆర్ డెవలపింగ్ ఎనీ ప్రాజెక్ట్, so everyone have to be involved in that. Okay, everyone have to be involved in that with love, and they have to focus on the work, and they have to get interest in that, right? So like that, and like that type of environment they will be creating and working, so that they can make a valuable product, right? సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా చేస్తే వాల్యుబుల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ చేయొచ్చమ్మా. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకుండా ఏదో టైం పాస్ కి చేసేసామా ఇచ్చేసామా అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ దేర్ విల్ బి సమ్ బగ్స్, సమ్ ఇష్యూస్, something problems will be there. Okay, like that. So like that, it here valuable, why project is valuable, we have to think. So mainly here also we have discussed the three things. One is whenever we are using from any long distance, definitely we are going to enjoying that particular application, right? And second, we have to create that application and gives the opportunity to all the users, right? To all the users. And third, here whatever the work we are doing on that particular project, definitely we have to focus, right? We have to focus and we have to work with lot of interest, then only we can reach for the success, right? So these are the three things. And third criteria, third criteria in the final session, it describes the project session success criteria. Okay, whenever we are working for any project, definitely we are thinking about the success also, right? Success only. Okay, 90%, 95% success only we people are thinking. 5%, okay, 5% there may be some failures or some issues will be there. Okay, like that. Here means 100% we are working for the success only, right? 1 or 2% if any bugs or any issues has been arise, at that time we may not get that much success result, right? So definitely we are working for the 100% result. So there are the 4 stages in this. So the first stage, we have to demonstrate the proof of concept, right? So whenever we are working for any project, okay, any project, at that time we need some proof of concept. And whatever the agile events, whatever the agile models you people are using, okay, which is best and which will be the successful for that, like that we have to select. Means how we have to select, we have to take the help of this agile experts, right? So in the first stage, we have to demonstrate about the proof of concepts, right? Whatever the agile events or whatever the project we are working for that, okay, and how successful and how positive response will be coming, means we have to take the help of these agile experts. They are giving their suggestions and ideas, whatever they have done, right? So that is the first stage. And second stage, in second stage here, whatever the Sasquatch, okay, so it is making some big step, like beta, whatever the whatever the applications or the projects they have developed, right? So first of all, they will be providing free usage for the customers. Once the customer is addicted, okay, once the customer is addicted and he is able to use that application, right? So at that time they will be using to charge for the amount, okay, for some amount. So like that, means here whatever the beta available, or whatever the applications are there, they will be providing a free usage, okay, at least for at least for few months, okay, 1 or like a trial version. For example, have you people seen that whenever we are using anything, okay, trial for 1 week, okay, free for a trial for 1 week, or AWS applications also, whenever you are using, it is free for 1 year. Okay, after that you have to be charged. Okay, like that there will be some conditions for that, right? So like that only here also they will be providing all the beta versions directly to the users for the free use, right? So whenever they are addicted, okay, whenever they are addicted and they need to use compulsory, right? So means we will be successful if it at least 10 teams used it on a regular basis for the real world projects within the 6 months, right? So whatever the beta version, whatever the new softwares are there, if 10 teams are using regularly, definitely they will be focusing on some the success, right? So that is the second. And the third stage, here they are going to be, means here we will convert Sasquatch to pay service. Okay, after that what they will be doing? Free. After that they will be starting to pay some amount for like 3 months or 1 year. Okay, like that. So we will be successful if it grosses at least $1,000 in the first 3 months. Okay, like that they will be putting some service charges. And fourth means here we will whatever the things, whatever the incomes or profits are coming, okay, then here they will be putting one successful meeting. So in that meeting they will be doing some analysis, okay, minimum monthly income requirements, and within 1 year of accepting the payments, whatever the profits they have received, is that reached to success or not. Okay, like that in 4 stages they will be describing about the success. So first stage, here they will be involving the agile experts and taking their helps to get a positive response, okay, from the customers whenever they are developing any project. And second stage, in this second stage, first directly they will be releasing the software or the application for a free for use. Okay, once they are addicted, okay, once they are regular to that, after that in third stage what they will be doing, they will be starting some charges for that particular services, so that at least for 3 months this much amount, 6 months this much amount, okay, like that they will be charging. And the fourth stage, here they will be doing some analysis. Do we, how much we have invested, how much profit we have get, okay, like that. With this also they can analyze the success, right? So this is about the three criteria involved in this vision statements. One, we are describing about the vision, and second, why it is valuable, and third, here we are describing about the success, project success, right? So this is about the success, and we have seen the types of success also, right? Types of success, what are that? First one is the product vision, right? And second one is identifying the vision and documenting the vision. So these are the three types of visions, and how to create a vision statements means by using these three things we have to create, right? So this is about the vision topic. And one more small topic is the version. Okay, version is nothing but here just a minute. So okay, so next topic we are going to see version, right? So what is mean by this version first of all? Okay, what is mean by this version, is give your points. In version, what are the things we are doing, give your points immediately. Reply me, version, why we are using these versions? There are different, right? So where you people have observed these versions, yes, versions in softwares, right? In books, right? In books. And yes, reply me, what happened? వింటున్నారా అందరు? Are you able to see? Yes, updates for more features. Very good advancement. Okay, very good, right? And versions where we can see, in software, okay, like projects, right? Projects, all applications, అప్లికేషన్స్, ఇంకా బుక్స్, ఇంకా వర్షన్స్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ చూసారమ్మా చెప్పండి ఫాస్ట్ గా. వేర్ we have seen this versions? Yes, softwares, books, ఇంకా మొబైల్స్. ఓకే, సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ లో వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, మొబైల్స్, రైట్, ప్రోడక్ట్స్ లో మొబైల్స్ ఆల్ kitchen items, ovens, like that, fridges, these all things will be included in that. Okay, hardware. Okay, hardware and hardware, laptops. Okay, laptops and inka, like that, many things. For many things definitely we are going to see this version. First of all, what is this version, ma? Right, what is this version? Version is nothing but here already existing features will be there. Okay, existing features will be there. So for that features we are doing some changes and we are going to be updating, right, updating to that features, right? So how we are updating these features? Whenever we are releasing any product, like mobile or anything, definitely we are getting some reviews, right, some feedback, right? What happened? My screen is not sharing, huh? Okay, so some reviews, feedbacks, and some already existing features will be there. Based on this, here we are doing all updates, right? We are doing all updates and releasing one product and giving some version, right? Already existing version is some v1, right? So and after that, adding all the features and updating, done some changes to that, right, and releasing another version v2. Okay, giving another name v2, right? In same books also, whenever we released book volume 1, okay, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, like that, volume 1, 2, 3, like that, volumes will be there, right? In coming to the products also, you can see the versions, like yes, mobiles only, right? Redmi 12 Pro, like Pro, 1 Plus. Okay, so like that, many versions will be there. Means each and every version is having some different features, okay, each is having some different features and it is updated with something new, and they are naming it as one new version and giving some number to that, right? So that with that number here, the developers and the users can easily understand, yes, this version has been released in so and so year. Okay, and for this product in that year there was these drawbacks. To overcome these drawbacks, they have updated these all things in this new version v2. Whatever the new features they have added, like that, they are giving the information about the versions, right? So we have seen that in version control also, right? Version control. In version control, here what we have seen, version control, here whenever we are developing any project, okay, previous what was its version, whatever the softwares and the requirements we have used, whenever they are releasing for the next iteration too, at that time what they will be doing, they will be adding this all v1 features, okay, v1 features with version 2. Okay, already existing features and new features, they will be releasing this product as some version 2.0. Okay, means already existing features will be there and some changes and new features will be there. Okay, new new features will be there. Both things will be added and release some new versions, right? So versions is nothing but here simply we can say that here updates. Okay, updates or changes can be done to already existing features. Okay, existing features ki changes anni chesesi they are going to be releasing as a new products. Okay, as a new version, so that we have seen on the different mobiles products, right? So like that. So there will be a different kind of versions also, ma. We can see the different types of versions on products, on laptops, on mobiles, right? On any other thing, etc. Okay, on any other things we can see different versions. So each and everything are having some different versions. Means definitely some drawback is there for that particular version only, then only they will be adding. Okay, they will be working on that particular product and particular drawback and adding the new things in that and releasing has a next version 2. Okay, version 2 in next iteration 2. Okay, ఇది iteration 1 లో ఈ version 1 ని రిలీజ్ చేశారు. ఓకే, సమ్ ఫీచర్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యూ ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేసి టు నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లో ఏం చేశారు, నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లీ ఆర్ మంత్లీ iterations will be done, right? So in that they will be adding these features along with new features and releasing in this I2. Okay, like that I3, I4. Okay, like that weekly or monthly they will be releasing the products by adding the new things, updates and changes to that particular product, right? So like that here changes are going to be done. Means here vision and version is nothing but here what is this vision and what is this version, right? Vision, actually what is this vision? Vision means here some destination. Okay, we are working for that particular point. Okay, particular point and how we are going to be getting means success or whatever that means, we are keeping some goals particularly. Okay, simply we can say we are putting some goals and we are working on that. So we are doing all analysis for that. Okay, how to work, how to describe all the things, and is that valuable or not, profit ostunda ratleda. Okay, like that, right? So for example, you people started doing some business, right? Yesterday you people said so mask, sanitizers, right? You have said. So whenever we are selling this, definitely we are describing about that, right? So is that mask how much? Okay, mask enta product chestundi. Okay, which kind of a mask we are using, what kind of a mask we are using, how much production will be there. Okay, how much protection will be there, and how they will be survive. Okay, for how much time they have to use this mask. Okay, like that we are giving some information, right? And sanitizers also, different sanitizers, different companies will be providing, right? So here what we are thinking, first our vision statement, what should we do? We are describing here about that particular product, right? Second thing what we are saying, the product valuable or kada, right? We are saying that is that valuable or not. Okay, and third what we are focusing, will we get profit or not on that particular thing. Okay, profit or not, okay, on that particular thing. Like that we are doing some analysis, why we are doing this all things. Okay, we all analysis before only finally to reach at this success step, ma. Okay, success step, finally we have to reach to this success step. So definitely to reach this success step, definitely there should be some vision statement. That's why every organization or every company, before starting their project, they will be preparing this vision statement, ma. Okay, why, where, how, profit వస్తుందా రేట్లదా. Okay, estimation, everything will be involved in this particular document. Okay, in this particular document. So that vision statement is very important before starting any project or they are working on that particular product. Mainly these organizations, they will be focusing on this vision statement, right? Once everything is clear, they are getting profits, customers profits వస్తున్నాయి. Okay, customers are satisfying. Okay, customers are satisfying and they are reaching to their points and goals, right? So definitely after that only they will be thinking about the next thing. What next thing? Next picture లో ఏమొస్తుంది, version. Okay, first version లో we have got some more profits, okay, better, okay, whatever we have invested the amount, we have got the benefits and profits, so that in next iteration they have to release next version by adding the new features, so that we can earn more profits, okay, more amount, okay, some more amount they will be earning. Okay, like that they will be doing the analysis and they will be starting working and collaborating. Team members will be involving, they will be sharing. Okay, agile experts will be involving in that. Okay, like that they will be sharing their ideas and they will be working on that particular product. Finally, they have to get success, right? Towards the success, they will be working, right? So this is about the vision and version statement, ma. This is about vision and version statement, right? So just a minute.